I just received a multifunctional power strip. Basically, is a extension tower. Yeah, you have USBs ports 1, 2, 3, 4, and a USB-C port as well. 18 watts one. You have 12 sockets, and you can turn off the USB from here or the sockets on off. It is overcharge protection, reset protection, flame retardant protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, avoid electric field interference. So I'm very happy with the size. I mean, it's like very sturdy. It's not like some flimsy thing. Very sturdy, very well made. So yeah, cable. It's got 13 amp fuse, and the cable I think is 1.5, which is very thick. Very happy with the purchase. Very cheap as well. Can't remember. £15, depends on your account and on your vouchers. Don't forget about the vouchers, they help all the time. So I'm gonna link it below, of course, and if you need one, why not buy one? I do recommend this. Sturdy, very sturdy.